Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Oh my god, it's been so long since I said that because I haven't done a YouTube video in what feels like forever. If you haven't noticed already, my background is very different. I'm in Connor's mum's house. If you don't know already, if you haven't followed me for a while, you know that I'm currently moving, buying a house, and it is taking much longer than I thought. But stay tuned for the moving vlogs very soon, I promise. And if I sound a little bit bunged up, my hay fever is something today. So getting straight into it, it is hair wash day today, so I'm going to show you my hair care routine. But before that, please make sure you are subscribed and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy this type of video, and let's get straight into it. I'm going to be showing you my hair care routine for this very long non-washed hair. Give me cosmetics, and I've got another box here of skincare which I'll show you as well. We're doing like sort of a self-care sort of Sunday, so it's sort of like a review today. The shampoo, the conditioner, the hair mask which we're going to be trying now, the hair repair cream which I'm very intrigued by, it looks amazing, heat defense spray which again can't go without that, the hair serum, and a brush, like a tangle teaser. Big box of goodies here. A microfiber hair wrap, which I love a hair wrap for after I wash my hair. I also got the scalp scrub, which I'm very excited to try, because if you know me, I wear my hair slicked back quite often, so it gets built up with a lot of product. And then I've got a, what's this called, like a massager for your head, and then a load of skincare bits which I'm going to show you later on in this video. So to begin with, we're going to be trying out the hair mask. This is the argan oil and coconut oil hair mask. It moisturizes and revitalizes dry damaged hair, soothes and repairs, and it's deep conditioning. It does say to apply for 10 to 15 minutes, but with a hair mask I like to leave it in for at least an hour, sometimes overnight, so that's what I'm going to do now. If you know me, I have extremely long hair. It does get quite knotty. I'm just going to brush it out. Okay, so now that I've brushed through my hair, I'm going to sneeze. So now I've brushed out my hair, I'm going to start applying the hair mask. I have actually used this in the past and it smells so good. If you love coconut like me, then you are going to love this. I'm just going to put a little bit in my hand. I sort of do like that it comes in a squeezy tube, because sometimes I find scooping it out of a pot, it gets under my nails quite a lot. Start with my ends and gradually bring it up. This is going to be perfect for summer because it smells absolutely amazing. And whatever's left, I just go and run it through my roots. I don't tend to focus it on my roots. And then I'm going to take the little brush that I got. Always start brushing your hair from the ends and work your way up. My sister taught me that when I was younger and I've never forgotten. A really gentle way of slicking back your hair is using a hair mask. So I'm just going to put it in a bun, and that's all tied back. I'm just going to take a little bit more of the hair mask, just a little bit, and make sure it's all flapped to my head. So I'm going to leave that in my hair for a few hours. I'm going to pop around because, like I said, it's Sunday, a few errands to run, and then I'm going to come back and use these two just before I wash my hair to get rid of all the build-up and stuff. So I will be back in a few hours to show you the rest of the routine. Okay, right, I am back. Please ignore my eye. It's very full of hay fever and I am so done with it. But anyway, I am now going to take off my makeup. I'm going to take the Give Me makeup remover with grapeseed oil. Improves elasticity, rich in vitamin E and A. Antioxidant, helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines. You get 100 mils. So I'm going to pop it on the pad just to take it off. I really need to take this makeup off because look at it. I need to stop rubbing my eyes. But I'm going to use this as my first cleanse. drenched the pad in that. It's sort of like an oil sort of consistency. So I'm going to take my eyes off first, especially this one. So as a first cleanse, that was really, really nice. It was gentle and it does feel like the oily texture consistency. I'm going to go off and rinse this off and use a bit of water to cleanse my skin, and then I'm going to come back and use the cleansing balm for my double cleanse. Okay, so I've done my first cleanse. Now I'm going to go in with the cleansing balm. It has got a really lightweight gel sort of consistency, and I just like to go straight in with my hands with this. This smells good too. So I was taking off a bit of the mascara that was left over, and I'm going to use a damp pad to gently take that off. I'll have to try this on its own next time to see how it takes off makeup on its own. So that was really gentle on the skin, and my skin feels really like hydrated and moisturised. Take the scalp scrub. More liquidy than I thought, sort of like a milk texture. I can't wait to use this because I get so much build up on my scalp. It smells beautiful. Puff it up so I can get right in my scalp. This feels like a proper sugar scrub, and you can see the bits in it. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to massage this into my hair, and then I'm going to take this, which is like a scalp massager, and proper get that going through my scalp. I love these. Now I'm going to jump in the shower and I'm going to use the shampoo and conditioner. This is the argan oil and coconut oil range. So this range is great for bleached hair or thick or dry hair, which I've got quite thick and dry hair, and I love the scent of coconut, so anything coconut I will put on my body, on my hair, on my face. I'm going to use these. Okay, I'm fresh out of the shower now. I've got my microfiber and it feels so soft, and these two performed really, really nicely together. They left my hair feeling super soft. I will show you in a second, but what I loved is that they're paraben free and they contain pro vitamins, which is always amazing. Cleanses, strengthens and transforms hair, and the bottles are huge as well. I absolutely love these two, and they again smell amazing. Okay, so I'm going to take my hair out of the turban now. You can instantly feel how soft it is already just with the hair mask and the shampoo and conditioner. But I'm going to spritz the heat defense spray. Prep and protect. Protects hair from styling damage. Defends up to 230 degrees. UV filter, which I thought was really, really good, and it's got coconut oil and avocado oil in it. It comes with a spray, which is great. I like to smother my hair in heat protectant. And then before I brush through my hair, I'm going to take the hair serum. Expertly formulated, protects against humidity and heat, fights frizz. This is going to be my baby, I hope. Comes with a pump. I think I'm going to need at least 2 pumps of this. I'm going to do 3 because my hair is extremely long. Got like a gel sort of thicker texture to it. Okay, so I'm just going to split my part in the middle. I'm just going to use the Tangle Teaser to lightly brush my hair. And then I'm going to go in with the Hair Repair Cream. This is a leave-in, helps strengthen and bond split ends and damaged hair with natural proteins. It's 150 ml. I really like the packaging. It's got a pump. Apply to the lengths and ends of wet or dry hair. That's good to know. To strengthen and bond split ends. Okay, so I'm going to add a couple of pumps. 2 pumps of this. That's what it looks like there. Onto my ends and my lengths. Again, smells amazing. I'm going to add it to the front parts of my hair because I think they get quite damaged because I wear my hair in a sleek bun all the time. Okay, so that is all the products in my hair. I'm going to let it air dry because I do like to let my hair air dry as much as I can. If not, I use my Dyson Airwrap, which isn't too bad for my hair. Because the weather's really nice outside, I'm just going to leave it. It should dry pretty quickly. But what I'm going to do now is my skincare. I can't believe how much they actually sent me. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. They sent me the eye cream, the face toner, the face serum and the day cream. So we're going to be putting all this together and doing a whole routine. So of course the first thing I'm going to go in with is the face toner. This has got retinol in there and witch hazel. It says a hydrating formula that tones pores, brightens complexion and smooths skin. Really like the packaging. It is beautiful. It's got hyaluronic acid in there. It's to refresh, smooth, tone pores and balance your skin's complexion. Carefully formulated with oligopeptides. I think I should know how to say these ingredients. Work for a skincare beauty makeup brand. Help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And it's paraben free. So it just says to... okay. It says to dispense a coin-sized amount into your clean palms and pat into skin. Okay, I'm not going to use a cotton pad then. This is why you should always read the instructions, and I always shake my products as well. I don't know why. So I'm gonna pat. My skin needs some hydration right now. Never forget your neck. That does feel hydrating. It's actually thicker than normal toners. It's sort of got a tacky gel consistency to it, which is interesting. I'm always up for trying new things. And then next I've got the face serum with hyaluronic acid and retinol, anti-aging niacinamide formula that firms and moisturizes the skin. I love that it's got anti-aging properties in there and it's got hydrating ingredients as well. I'm just going to, oh, it comes with a nice pump to add a few squirts onto my hand. She's thin, which I like in a serum. I like my products quite lightweight. Smells clean. Obviously it's got retinol in there, so make sure you're wearing an SPF or stay out of the sun. I've got no tan on today, so I feel really bare, but I'm going on holiday soon, so it's fine. That was really lovely as well. Like I said, it had a thin consistency to it. Then I'm going to go in with the eye cream. You can either go in with the day cream first or the eye cream, or vice versa. But I always tend to just go in with my eye cream because I like to let my serum soak in. So this is the eye cream with avocado oil and vitamin E. Love that. A nourishing anti-wrinkle and brightening formula. It's 20 mils, which I think is quite good for an eye cream. Normally they're 15 mils. A moisturizing anti-wrinkle eye cream formulated with avocado oil, shea butter, vitamin E and betaine, I think, to hydrate, smooth, visibly depuff and brighten under eye area. Paraben free. I love that all their products are paraben free. I'm just going to apply a little bit under my eyes. I'm using my ring finger to pat that in. Really nice. Really hydrating. Look how glowy that is. And then lastly I'm going to be using the day cream with niacinamide and retinol. So again, make sure you're wearing your SPF. Our day cream aids a luxury finish to your morning skincare routine. Blended with retinol, niacinamide and vitamin E, free of parabens and phthalates. Okay, it's got a seal cover on it, which I like for hygiene purposes. But can I get it off? That is the question. It smells sort of like men's products, which I don't mind. This is the consistency. It's sort of like a thicker gel texture. Yeah, it's like a thin gel consistency. Oh, it smells so good. It reminds me of something. Like a thin gel, but like thick at the same time. I really like the consistency. You all know I love a gel moisturiser. Okay, I loved every single product. So that is everything I've got to try. I will come back once my hair is all dry to finish up the video. So I'll be back in a few hours. Hello. So it's the next day now and I can confirm my hair feels really clean, really soft. I wanted to come back the next day just to see how it sort of worked with my hair next day, you know. But this is it. I did plait it last night just to give it a little bit more of a curled effect. and just kept it in my hair overnight. But yeah, I really like the range. The shampoo and conditioner especially really worked nicely with my hair. The shampoo lathered really nicely, which I always love because I like that feeling where you know it's clean in your hair, do you know what I mean? I'll definitely be using these two again. If you know me, lilac is my favourite colour, so that is a coincidence that this is the same colour as my favourite colour. And this, of course, is really, really nice for detangling. This balm is just amazing. It smells nice, it feels nice, it melts the makeup off really, really nicely. I'm going to do that now because I've been to work today. Please ignore my pale face as well. I haven't tanned this week because I'm going away on Saturday. But yeah, really, really like that. I'm going to be trying out all of these products in the next couple of weeks or so. Because that's what I like to do with products. So if you want to see like an updated review, then please do let me know, because I will be willing to do that, because I love doing like a recap of what my thoughts are, especially with the skincare, so which I loved as well. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a updated review video in a couple of weeks. I'd definitely be interested in doing that. And also, if you aren't already, then please make sure you are subscribed to see more content like this from me. I will link everything down below for you to go check it out. Thank you so, so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.